Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change Gantt chart colors in Smartsheet. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to app.smartsheet.com on your web browser and log in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're going to start a new project, or you can choose an existing project with a Gantt chart on it. But for this video, let's start a new one. So simply click here, and then scroll down, and then click on Gantt right here. Now, as you can see, if you click here, if you hover your mouse here and see this arrow on your cursor, simply drag it to the left for you to see your Gantt chart, which is these bars right here. Now, to edit the colors, simply click on one and then right-click on it. On the drop-down menu, you should see the color setting. And then, simply choose the color that you want that it would use for the bars on your Gantt chart. And as simple as that, you've changed the color of your Gantt chart. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!